A bridge groans under invisible stress. No one hears it. No one sees it. Until it's too late. Every year, aging bridges, dams, and towers fail silently, long before visible cracks ever appear on the surface. Traditional structural monitoring meant massive government contracts, months of installation, and software platforms costing millions of dollars. But a quiet revolution is happening. Small, focused software teams are rewriting the rules of industrial infrastructure monitoring. This is Micro-SaaS. Lean, single-purpose software built by tiny teams, solving one specific problem exceptionally well. Structural health monitoring, or SHM, tracks a building's vibration, tilt, and strain in real time constantly. Tiny sensors called strain gauges and accelerometers detect microscopic vibrations invisible to the naked human eye. Old systems needed miles of physical wiring. Modern wireless sensor networks now transmit data instantly without any cables. That sensor data streams instantly into cloud dashboards, letting engineers watch structural changes unfold live, anywhere. Lightweight APIs and WebSocket connections push alerts within milliseconds, far faster than legacy monitoring software ever could. Edge computing processes raw sensor data right on site, filtering noise before anything ever reaches the cloud. Take a small startup monitoring a coastal bridge, replacing a costly enterprise contract with one affordable subscription. Wind turbine operators now catch dangerous blade vibrations early, preventing catastrophic failures worth millions in damages. In earthquake-prone cities, Micro-SaaS tools track building tilt continuously, warning residents minutes before structural collapse occurs. Enterprise structural monitoring platforms often cost hundreds of thousands yearly. Micro-SaaS tools deliver similar power for far less. Most Micro-SaaS platforms use simple subscriptions, charging small monthly fees per sensor instead of massive upfront licenses. No-code tools and cloud infrastructure now let small teams build powerful IoT dashboards in mere weeks, not years. Often it's just one or two engineers building a niche tool for problems massive corporations completely overlooked. Artificial intelligence now scans incoming sensor streams, detecting anomalies and unusual patterns humans would likely miss entirely. This predictive maintenance approach slashes repair costs and prevents unexpected downtime across factories, bridges, and power plants. Governments worldwide are now mandating continuous structural monitoring for aging bridges, tunnels, dams, and public buildings. Insurance companies increasingly offer lower premiums to facility owners who install real-time structural health monitoring systems. Globally, hundreds of thousands of bridges and structures are aging past their intended lifespan right now. Micro-SaaS fills the gap enterprise platforms ignore, serving small municipalities and mid-sized industrial plants with tailored solutions. These lightweight tools integrate smoothly with existing SCADA and industrial systems through simple, well-documented plug-and-play APIs. Digital twins take it further, creating live virtual replicas of physical structures updated constantly with real sensor data. Smart cities are integrating these Micro-SaaS sensors citywide, monitoring roads, bridges, and buildings as one connected network. Analysts project the industrial IoT monitoring market will surpass tens of billions of dollars within just a few years. Cheaper sensors, powerful cloud infrastructure, and faster wireless connectivity have finally converged, making this revolution possible right now. Imagine every bridge, dam, and skyscraper monitored constantly like a patient's vital signs in intensive care. This is only the beginning. Micro-SaaS is quietly reshaping how we protect the infrastructure our world depends on. If you found this fascinating, subscribe for more deep dives into industrial technology and the future of engineering.